this test expert advisor is going to open 10 test positions, and as soon as we have 10 open positions, we call a function called close all by positions. So let's find out how to do that with MQL5. To get started, please press F4 or click on the little symbol here. Now you should see the Meta Editor window, and here you want to click on File, New File, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this file Simple By Position Closer, as we are going only to close by positions. Now let's click on Continue, Continue and Finish. And now we can delete everything above the onTick function and the two command lines here. First we need to include the file trade.mqh. This will help us to create an instance of the class ctrade that will be called trade, and we are using it to open our test positions. Inside of the onTick function we start by getting the ask price. That is done with symbol info double for the current symbol, and we use symbol underscore ask all in capital letters. I also use normalized double and underscore digits to automatically calculate the number of digits behind the dot. First we want to know if the number of positions total is below 10. That is the case if we have less than 10 open positions. And if that is the case, we use trade.buy to buy 10 microlot for the ask price that we have calculated here. And as soon as we have exactly 10 positions, we want to call a function called close all by positions to close all the open by positions at the same time. This function does not exist so far, so let's create it. It has no return type and it will be called close all by positions. We use a for loop to go through all the open positions, and for each position we use position get ticket to get the ticket number. We also want to calculate the position direction. That is done by using position get integer, position underscore type, all in capital letters. And if the position direction equals position underscore type underscore by, this position is a by position. And now we use trade.position close for the current ticket number to close the current position. Finally, we need to close the for loop and the function. That's about it. If you don't know what all the code here does, maybe you want to start with the other videos in this basic series, or maybe even the premium course is interesting for you. For now, please click on the compile button here or press F7. That should work without any errors, and if that is the case, you can click on the button here or press F4 to go back to MetaTrader. And in MetaTrader we click on View, Strategy Tester or press Ctrl and R. Please pick the new file simple by position closer.ex5. Enable the visualization mode here and start a test. And here we are. The expert advisor is opening test positions, and as soon as we have 10 open positions, it calls our custom function to close all open by positions. This video was an idea of a premium course member, and if you have any ideas that should be explained in such a video here, just send me an email, because in this little video you have learned how to create an expert advisor to close all the open by positions at once, and you have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL5 code.